Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find our email and website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We work as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it tells YouTube to share my channel to more people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is going to be about Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. So I will tell you is I liked it. The ship pulls right up to the pier. You walk, it's about I guess maybe about a 5-minute walk off the pier. We got on a tram. The tram took us to where all the action is, and lots of beach chairs, beautiful beach. You got to see the ship from there. The ocean was great. What else did I do is I rented a bike and took a tour all around the island, and found an airstrip in the middle of the island, which is actually pretty cool. Took it to the other side of the island, and you could see the ocean from there, but the beach didn't look like you can swim from there. And I took the bike back in a different direction on the island, and I found a tower that stood maybe 3 stories high, a wooden tower, and from there you were able to see the whole island. You were able to see the ship in the distance. You'll see it in the video. It was great. I mean, I loved it. From there, drove back to get lunch. So they had, in the center of the island, they had a nice area where they had all the buffet food, let's say. They had ice cream. They had a nice big patio with a cover over the top, so you can stay there in the shade with fans inside. From there, walked on back. Got to see the beach again. Got to see the ship. Got on the tram and went back to the ship. But I'll tell you, if you're looking for a first-class island, Disney's cruise ship island, Castaway Cay, first-class island. Can't wait to go back. And I go back again a little less than a year from now. Alright, take care. Hopefully you enjoyed my video, and hopefully you give me a call when you're looking for your next cruise or any type of vacation, and I'll be here for you. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.
It's Sorcerer Mickey.
Puzzle in the fan.
Reminder,
Lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at 2 locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Stove. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to it. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day. And destination, right in the heart of paradise, Pelican Point Transit. There you will find